Who will say me? Capital of Kerala?
Manigori.
हाँ, say me better. What is the
Trivandrum.
Very good. Now I'll show you the map. Okay. Now my question, if I ask you that you are here in Gujarat state and you want to reach Kerala, then which state you will have to travel बेटा? कौन से स्टेट से आपको पास होना होगा केरला जाने के लिए?
Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bangalore.
Very good. Bangalore is the capital, right? Bangalore is the capital.
Capital.
Yes, so that does not mean that you have to travel to Bangalore. I asked which states you will have to travel. क्या पूछा मैंने? Which states you have to travel? Hmm?
Yes,
Which
yes.
states you have to travel?
Maharashtra, Karnataka.
Maharashtra.
Okay. You forgot one state. See, if we travel by the border line, then one more state will come. Here is the smallest
Maharashtra,
state of
Goa,
Panaji.
Karnataka.
ah, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka. Yes, you forgot one state, right? Maharashtra,
Yes,
Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. You have to travel through Maharashtra, you have to go to Goa, Panaji, and you have to go to Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Then you will reach Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Is it clear, everyone? You can see here three states. Can you see?
yes,
Huh? Yes or
yes.
no? Okay. Now, my next question is I'll give you a journey, say, from Gujarat to Odisha. Okay. Now, to reach Odisha, which state you have to travel? Chalo, who will say? You can see clearly in your map. Can you see?
Harmanpur.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh and
Very good.
Chhattisgarh.
Yes, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Right? From
Chhattisgarh.
here to here, you will
Chhattisgarh.
reach Madhya Pradesh to Chhattisgarh. मध्य प्रदेश कैपिटल इज भोपाल एंड छत्तीसगढ़ इज रायपुर. पर एक और रूट बताओ चलो जो कहीं यहाँ से होता हुआ जाए उड़ीसा तो which state you will have to try?
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra,
Telangana.
Telangana, and
Mhm.
Odisha. And Odisha.
Yes. Say whenever you speak also on their capitals with it. Okay. Speak again.
Yes.
फिर से बोलो.
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra,
Telangana,
Mumbai,
Odisha.
हाँ
Maharashtra, Mumbai,
हाँ.
Telangana, Madhya, Hyderabad,
हम्म.
Amravati,
आंध्र
and
प्रदेश अमरावती.
Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, and Odisha.
हाँ. Very good. Anyone else would like to repeat?
Yes,
Harmanpur.
sure.
Arvanpuri से.
What, ma'am?
Maharashtra, Mumbai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Odisha.
Yes, Odisha, Bhubaneswar finally we will
Bhubaneswar.
reach, right? So all this way, all these states, by this what you come to know, my dear students? You come to know the neighboring states of each state, है ना? आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि which are the neighboring states of which state, right? Now, for example, from Gujarat, if you want to reach, yes, Sikkim, Gangtok, then सिक्किम गैंगटॉक अगर पहुंचना है तो
Rajasthan, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bihar, Patna.
हम्म.
Sikkim, Gangtok.
ओके. पर एक और स्टेट को आपको ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. आपके रूट में एक और स्टेट आता है. सीट केयरफुल.
Nepal.
नहीं, नेपाल इज अवर नेबरिंग कंट्री.
Madhya Pradesh.
Bihar,
हाँ. नो. बिहार तो ही
Madhya
सेड.
Pradesh.
नो, मध्य प्रदेश ऑल्सो ही स्पोक.
Oh,
Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh.
मध्य प्रदेश यू स्पोक
मैम
बेटा.
क्योंकि वो मिडिल स्टेट है ना वो सब स्टेट में बीच में आएगा.
Uttar Pradesh.
नहीं. सी इफ यू कैन सी here lightly you have to go to West Bengal and then you will be reaching over here because West Bengal if you see West Bengal if you see so it is all the way here. Can you see? Okay, wait 1 minute. I maximize it. See, can you see West Bengal?
यस
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
पूरा जो
Yes.
पूरा जो ग्रीन पार्ट है ये वेस्ट बंगाल है. तो हाउ कैन यू रीच सिक्किम गैंगटॉक विदाउट ट्रैवलिंग टू वेस्ट बंगाल? See, it is from here. Can you see here? Here
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all this is West Bengal. है ना? Understood? Here till here till here. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Huh? So
Yes.
West Bengal. Yes. So West Bengal is West Bengal, and the capital of West Bengal is.
Kolkata.
Huh.
Kolkata.
Okay. So what was my question, my dear students? Which journey I gave you? I gave you from Gujarat to Sikkim. Chalo, repeat now. Which states you have to travel?
गुजरात,
Mad-
गांधीनगर, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, भुवनेश्वर,
Hmm.
रायपुर, वेस्ट
West
बंगाल,
Bengal.
कोलकाता,
West Bengal.
सिक्किम
Okay.
जैसा.
Okay. Now other question. See, same is same. If you want to travel from Kerala to Sikkim, then which states you will travel from?
तमिलनाडु,
Tamil Nadu.
Hmm?
आंध्र
Andhra
प्रदेश,
Pradesh.
तेलंगाना,
Huh?
Maharashtra. And Gujarat.
महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात.
Yes. We will have to go from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Anyone will like to share any other route? Other route?
Ma'am,
Hello?
in
Yes, ma'am.
shortcut,
Yes, ma'am.
there Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Gujarat.
केरला, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, छत्तीसगढ़,
Huh?
झारखंड, बिहार एंड वेस्ट
Huh?
बंगाल, सिक्किम, गैंगटॉक.
Okay. Huh? Okay, very good. So understood how you travel through different states to reach one state. तो आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि which state is coming after which state, है ना? Now if
Yes.
I give you one eastern state, okay? Same as same. If I give you one eastern state, say from, okay, I'll take another pen. Color should be different, right? Suppose for example we go from West Bengal to Arunachal Pradesh. Then where you have to go from?
Bangladesh.
वेस्ट
Bangla?
बंगाल,
No, no, beta. We
वेस्ट
are
No, no.
talking.
बंगाल, सिक्किम,
No,
आसाम.
West.
No, Meghalaya.
Beta. 1 minute, wait. Bangladesh is again our neighboring country. It is not a part of India. Okay. So we are going to
Okay,
discuss the route in India. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay. West
Okay.
Bengal,
वेस्ट बंगाल,
Okay.
Dispur,
सिक्किम,
Assam,
आसाम,
and
Hmm.
this
Arunachal
अरुणाचल
Pradesh.
प्रदेश.
Yes.
Arunachal
Someone
Pradesh.
was saying Meghalaya also. He is also right. If you catch that route, you can go by that route also. Huh? Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else would like to share? हेलो. हाँ, कोई और बोलना चाहेगा?
यस मैम.
यस से बेटा.
वेस्ट बंगाल, सिक्किम, आसाम एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
Very good. West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Now from Arunachal Pradesh, if you want to go Mizoram, the Seven Sisters. I had talked to you now about Seven Sisters.
यस
Remember
मैम.
or not? Yes.
यस.
Nagaland,
Hmm.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश, आसाम,
Hmm.
मणिपुर एंड मिजोरम.
Very good. So where you will have to travel?
Manipur,
Hmm. हाँ. Where you have to travel from Arunachal Pradesh to Mizoram. Chalo. Say another route from here
यस
to
मैम.
here.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम.
Hmm. From here to here, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and then Mizoram. Then from here, if you want to go somewhere, then from here, if you can.
नागालैंड, आसाम, मेघालय.
No, no. देखो, you'll have to start from Arunachal Pradesh. तो Arunachal Pradesh से Assam.
यस.
Yes.
यस.
Okay. Okay. चलो. So everyone understood?
यस मैम.
Chalo. Now, for example, from West Bengal, you want to go to Punjab. Sorry. 1 minute, beta. Say from West Bengal, you want to go Punjab. Then how will you go?
Yes.
Jharkhand,
West
Uttar
Bengal,
Pradesh,
नहीं देखो,
Jharkhand,
you have to
Uttar
also speak, or you have to always speak the capitals also. Okay.
वेस्ट बंगाल, कोलकाता, झारखंड, रांची, बिहार, पटना,
Ranji,
उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ,
Hmm.
हरियाणा, दिल्ली,
Hmm.
and पंजाब, छत्तीसगढ़.
Very good. So where you will have to travel from? Yes. Anyone else would like to share? Huh? Anyone else would like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say. Anyone else will show the route?
Yes. वेस्ट बंगाल, कोलकाता, झारखंड, रांची, उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ, हरियाणा,
Hmm.
दिल्ली, पंजाब,
Hmm.
छत्तीसगढ़.
Very good. So all these are what, beta? All these are the root.
Route.
देखो, हाँ, इसे what did you learn from this? A, you can reach to the other states also. है ना? Understood? Understood or
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, very good. चलो. Now,
yes, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो now, Arman, one of you say me that route we'll find out. चलो. Which route? Which from where to where you want to reach? Say me, चलो. Say from Ladakh to Tamil Nadu, you will say me the route. Ladakh to Tamil Nadu.
लद्दाख कहाँ है?
लद्दाख यहाँ ऊपर है. Ladakh is the union territory. Can you
Yes,
see here?
ma'am.
Ladakh
Yes.
to Tamil Nadu. Okay?
Yes.
Understood? Chalo, now who will say me?
लद्दाख, लद्दाख, ले, अमित, हिमाचल प्रदेश,
Hmm.
उत्तर प्रदेश,
Hmm.
देहरादून,
Very good.
उत्तर प्रदेश, देहरादून, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, तेलंगाना, तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद, आंध्र प्रदेश,
Hmm.
अमरावती, तमिलनाडु, तमिलनाडु, तमिलनाडु,
Hmm.
तमिलनाडु.
अच्छा चलो, वेरी गुड. आपने बहुत अच्छी ट्राई की. एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू ट्राई?
Yes, ma'am. Nakwirage Vasan.
यस, नकवीरा के बसंत से बेटा.
Ma'am, from which state we have to?
From Ladakh to Tamil Nadu here. Okay. I cannot draw with a pen because Ladakh gets here Tamil Nadu. So यहाँ Ladakh. Okay. Okay. चलो say.
Where is Ladakh?
Here up. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Can you see here? Ladakh is now a union territory. Can you see beta? Can you see my red dot?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
My cursor you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So say beta.
Ma'am, we have to.
Hmm. Say. No, no, not
Punjab,
Kiragesa. Hmm.
Delhi.
Beta, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can I share one good?
Yes, Arman Gori, you say his
Andhra
voice is
Pradesh.
not coming.
Yes. लद्दाख, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, and तमिलनाडु.
Chalo, very good. Arman Gori said, who said this?
मैम आप स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करो ना. कोई
My
किसी
screen.
ने स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट पायल ने स्क्रीन
Huh?
प्रेजेंट की.
My screen is not visible.
Ma'am, Soeb Gayal. No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Present again. Just a minute. So, why you presented your screen, beta?
Yeah.
Eh? Now you can see beta my screen.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
One minute. I'm not able to present. 1 minute. Who is presenting now?
Soeb Nobody. मैम वो लेफ्ट हो गया.
ओके, अब दिख रही है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. अभी दिख रही है. Yes, ma'am. दिखाई.
Yes. So what were we discussing? We were discussing to reach Ladakh to Tamil Nadu. Yes, repeat. Who said Ladakh to Tamil Nadu?
Arman Gori.
Arman Guni, can you repeat your answer? I want to make some corrections.
Yes, ma'am. लद्दाख, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु.
Okay. Nakvi Ragi Hassan, can I make some changes in your answer, beta? Okay. See, if you start from Ladakh, beta, you travel from Himachal Pradesh and compulsory यहाँ पे हमारा नेशनल टेरिटरी है. क्या है? नेशनल
नल
यूनियन. Yes, that is the capital of India. Can you see Delhi? Can you see Delhi on?
Yes.
Huh? So Delhi will come. You didn't spoke Delhi. Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh.
तमिलनाडु.
हाँ बेटा. And then you reach Tamil Nadu. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will repeat? कौन रिपीट करेगा? Yes. Who will repeat?
अरमान गोरी.
हाँ अरमान गोरी से.
लद्दाख, हिमाचल प्रदेश, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, and तमिलनाडु.
You spoke Delhi, right? So this way, you have to speak all the states. Okay. Now, say for
Yes.
example, if you travel a journey from say Rajasthan, no, Punjab to Andhra Pradesh, which states you will travel from?
Yes. पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, and आंध्र प्रदेश.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, and anyone else would like to repeat?
अरमान गोरी.
हाँ अरमान गोरी से बेटा.
पंजाब, हरियाणा,
पंजाब नहीं
दिल्ली,
पंजाब का कैपिटल बोलो.
पंजाब, छत्तीसगढ़, चंडीगढ़, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, जयपुर,
मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई, तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद, अरुणाचल, आंध्र प्रदेश, अमरावती.
And finally you reach Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Very good, very good. Very good, very right answer you said me. Excellent. Chalo. Now from Andhra Pradesh, if you want to reach Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun. Then
Yes. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal,
excellent,
Uttar
excellent.
Pradesh, Lucknow,
So
Uttarakhand, Dehradun.
So here you understood how each state you have to travel and reach. है ना? So
Yes.
this yes, this is the revision of the India map also and the neighboring states also. Now states and capitals. Important points of state and union territories. Okay? Yes, Arman, read beta.
Yes. After getting the list of India state and union territories with its capital, let us first understand how to
How to segregate
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 segregate the a state from a union territory. Out
hmm,
of the 8 union territories in India,
hmm.
their territories have their one leg,
Legislatures. This is a new word for you, right?
legislator. The, this, these are Delhi,
Hmm.
Pondicherry, formerly Pondicherry,
Hmm.
and
And wait, okay? And wait. Now I'll explain you this much. Then we will go ahead, okay?
yes,
See now, after getting the list of Indian states, we already got the list of Indian states and their union territories with its capitals. With its what, beta? With its capitals. I gave you in this
with
previous
its
slide. I gave you
capital. Yes,
here in the previous slide with its states and capitals, right?
yes,
And union territories with its
yes.
capitals. Let us first understand what we'll do. Let us first understand what we'll understand first.
Let us first understand.
Yes, how to segregate. Segregate means anyone knows what is the meaning of segregate?
No, ma'am.
Acha. For example, you are 50 students in a class, okay? Girls and boys, okay? So if you are 50 students in a class, then girls and boys, then we will segregate. How many girls are there? How many boys are there? Understood?
Yes,
Understood
yes,
that?
ma'am.
That is segregation. Okay?
Yes,
Understood? What is segregation?
yes, ma'am.
Acha. So what we are going to segregate? The state from the union territory. What we are going to segregate, beta?
State from the
State
Union
and
Territory.
union territory.
Yes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. What you have to write? What you have to segregate?
States from
State
the Union
and union
Territories.
territory.
Yeah. Understood, everyone? So let us now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
segregate the
ma'am.
state from union territory. Out of the 8 union territory, yes, what it is?
8 union territories.
Territories in India, 3 union territories. How many? 3 union
Three
Three
union
union
territories.
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 Hmm. How many? 3 union territories, right? What do they have?
3 union territories.
Hello.
India, they have their own legislature, right?
Hello, sir.
These are Delhi and Puducherry. Yes, anyone was speaking in middle?
शफीक की मम्मी बोल रही हूँ
हेलो.
शफीक की मम्मी बोल रही हूँ मैं
हाँ, एक ही मिनट है, मैं ये टॉपिक क्लियर कर लूँ. एक ही मिनट।
उसको बुखार बोलती नहीं, ज्वाइंट नहीं हो रहा है।
हाँ ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप उनके क्लास टीचर को बता दोगे तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है।
हाँ, मैं वीडियो दिखा दूंगी फिर उसको।
हाँ, और उन्होंने टेस्ट तो दिए ना शफीक ने सारे।
हाँ, सब दे दिए।
हाँ, बस देखिएगा कि टेस्ट वो दे दे, ठीक है।
हाँ, वो तो दे दिए उसने।
हाँ ओके, बिकॉज इंटरनल मार्क्स आर गोइंग टू बी काउंटेड इन योर एग्जाम्स रिजल्ट, ओके।
ओके ओके मैम,
ओके,
थैंक यू।
वेलकम। Okay, so understood, beta. Union territories have
Yes.
their own legislatures. These are Delhi, Puducherry, and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Now, what is this legislature and all this? We will see in the next class. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I wish you all of you best of luck for today's exam. And okay. So see that you give your test on time. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
Chalo, bye all of you, beta. All the best. Attend your test on time.
Bye.
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Bye.
Yes.